Hey guys, I'm Chris, your real estate problem solver. Today we're going to do you a house tour on a new construction house at 704 Lindsey Brook. Now they just finished this house and it's currently pending. Somebody already got to this one, but as you can tell, there's still a whole lot more houses to be had. So if you like this one, the same model and a few other varieties are on the same street. So make sure to give me a call and we can take a look at them and see if you want to make an offer on them. So let's take a look at this one and see if it's something that you like. Lindsey Brook is in the Enclave section of Harley Farm subdivision, which you can learn more about by checking out our neighborhood tours playlist. Lindsey Brook is in Bonaire, just south of Warner Robins. So starting from Watson Boulevard, take 247, which is 129, south to Davidson Drive, and turn in. These models are built by Capital Investments. These are 4-bed, 3-bath models, around 2,500 square feet on quarter-acre lots with hardy board exteriors and 2-car garage with the main bedroom on the second floor. So let's take a look inside. All right, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour. Lindsey Brook actually has 3 houses that are available right now for sale, and there's one under construction and one that's foundation has started. So there's still plenty available. So make sure to contact me and let us take a look at them and see if it's something that you'd be interested in and making an offer. I'll talk to you on the next one.